Alright, here we go for the second omelet. This time we're going to do spinach, mozzarella, and Parmesan. So, for the spinach, the only thing I did was saute it very quickly in olive oil. And then after it was done, I wrung it out. Literally wrung it out over the sink. Added some garlic salt, and I already pre-grated the cheese, so here we go. It's a little high heat. I'll take it off. Break up the curds so they can hopefully go flat. Really don't fuck this up. Okay, so I'm taking it on and off the heat just because it's going really quick. Now the pan's already preheated. So you have mozzarella and some Parmesan. So the mozzarella, we're going to put around the whole thing. I'm trying to actually get it outside the pan here, so a little bit starts to cook / burn. And the rest of the parm we're just doing for flavor, mainly salty umami-ness, if you will. And here we go, unscientific. Bam. Put that over the heat. We have our chopped spinach here, which has been tossed with garlic salt. And that's where we're gonna... Hopefully I can get this. There we go. And so our egg is not coming together yet. See how it's still wanting to pull or tear? No bueno. And I mean, I can't figure out how much time that is. That's not been much time. But we still don't have that, so we're going to kick it up medium high. Let's keep the pan moving. I like that we're seeing the cheese start to fry and melt there. Kind of bubble. We're getting there. It goes pretty quick. And I'm impatient, so I'm going to call it. Now we work on our fold. Oh man, look at that fluffiness. Alright, so we'll do the same thing. Hopefully not in the middle of the plate. Bam. Again, kiss with butter. And we've got some more Parmesan here. we go.